acquired land.
Igongona-ini ria gucokia mugunda wa eka 4 kuri University ya Nairobi niho arugamiriria honge itiganite cia kuhitana na ungumania maheanire ndumiriri hiu na ya kuonania muoroto wa honge ici riu werekeirio kuri aria megwatiire indo cia mithemba itiganite na njira ya ngungo.
EACC is committed to expending more efforts and resources in the area of asset recovery.
We want to have high profile cases with impact being taken to court.
Gicunji giki kia mugunda kiria kiri mwena wa Kilimani Nairobi kirerikana ni kia muigana wa ciringi gatagati ka bilioni 2 na bilioni 5 na kiegwatiirwo ni kambuni itambulikanite ta Abadeas Engineering Contractors Limited mwaka wa 2010. Ona thengia wa university no gukorwo yagurite mugunda uyu mwaka-ini wa 1964 na riu mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Nurdin Haji akionania wirutiri munene wa gwetha njira ciothe cia gutigirira indo iria ciothe ciigwatiirwo ni turia ni mene cia cokio.
That land has to come back to government, then we get it back together with the profits and as a going concern. We are looking for alternatives of how we can dispose of that vehicle.
Kamiti ya kuhitana na ungumania EACC ikiuga ati cira wa mugunda uyu ni umwe gatagati ka mangi 70 maria irathie na mbere gutindekana namo na kuria migunda igwatiirwo na njira cia ngungo. Migunda ino ikirikana ni ya muigana wa ciringi bilioni 12 ona gutuika kuri ona mateta ma macira kuoya ihinda rinene igoti-ini.
Instead of sitting in court and everybody being given a chance to argue their points, what Asset Recovery Authority will do is seize the property as the case is in court.
We are going to appoint receivers so that those assets can be preserved.
Kuma mwaka wa 2004 kamiti ya EACC ni hotete gucokia indo iria ciegwatiirwo na njira cia ngungo cia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 12.8 hamwe na migunda iria coketio kuri ene ni Uhuru Gardens mwena wa Mombasa, nyumba ya mĩa guku Nairobi, mugunda wa kiwanja kia ndege mwena wa Kwale, icunji cia mugunda iria ciegwatagirwo mutito-ini wa Ngong, mugunda wa ceceni ya borithi ya Karatina na mugunda wa Nathari na thibitari mwena wa Laikipia.
The public, the agencies that are supporting this work, let's always unite towards a common goal.
Kamiti no ya kuhitana na ungumania EACC yugite ati ikinya ria gucokia mugunda uyu moko-ini ma University ya Nairobi ni kionereria kia wira munene na mwega uria itanyite gukorwo ikiruta hoka ni kuhitana na ungumania. Ngiribotera mutamburuko wa mohoro ma Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.